So I'm Joe Ryan, I'm with Home Agri Energy. We're here just to do a training day down in Balcha, just to kind of familiarise ourselves with some of the newer products coming from Sig. We've got some new guys on board as well, just to kind of get everyone up to speed with the systems that we're using with Home Agri. It was a couple of years ago now. To be fair, it's kind of our bread and butter now at the minute. It's everything that we're using, say, with Home Agri. So all of our installs everything is Sigenergy. When I originally started, there was a different system that we were using. I suppose in terms of why we changed is it's so kind of client friendly and installer friendly. So it kind of streamlined our process a bit. Aesthetics then are a huge part of it. It's a very sleek looking design. As you can see there, everything is kind of all in one house, or even the separate. The SP2 is a nice option as well, and it's nice and clean looking. I suppose the first thing, which is obviously what you're looking at, is the aesthetics. I think it's probably the best looking one on the market. It's so sleek. It's kind of up and out of the way. You're not taking up a huge amount of space, and it's not very industrial looking, which in most cases for a homeowner, they don't want something big and bulky on the outside of the house, so it's a lovely option there. And then obviously the performance benefits of it as well, it's kind of a no-brainer a lot of the time. A lot of the feedback from our own installers is the ease of it, you know, especially the stackable nature of the store. Because cable management then is a big thing, so it feels easier for us on an install side of things, but also for the client. The usability of it and the kind of ease of the app. It's like someone with no solar experience can get a system installed and by the end of the day be totally aware of what the app is telling them. To be honest, it streamlines it, say from my point of view, because every option you need is there. So like every client you go to is going to have a different requirement, but all the answers are there for Sig, or with Sig. It's just a different configuration. So it streamlines what I need and what the client can get then. Customer focus would be a big one. It's so well adapted for what your house actually needs. Everything is there. There's so many options that you can put in, like what we just went through here in the training. You can break it down to the individual elements in the house. And really what it's trying to do is minimise what we're going to spend on our electricity bills. That's the goal of it. It can allow us to take control of that and even give you suggestions as to how to save the most amount of money, which is what, look, every homeowner doing it is doing it from a savings point of view. So that's Sigenergy's biggest goal, it seems to me, is like trying to minimise those bills for the homeowners. It's very clean, very, very clean. As we said, it's so kind of applicable to everyone. You can tailor it and you can make it your own, and you can make it work in your own house.